Hello, this is another edition of the Photoshop tricks and tips. Alright, now I'm going to teach you how to use the patch tool to remove an unwanted object. Good. Now let's do this. Yes, the shortcut for the patch tool is J. So whatever shortcut I tap on, it would appear on the screen. So J. Yes, so this is the patch tool. Or if the patch tool does not appear, you just have to right click whatever tool has been highlighted, and then you look for the patch tool and then you click on it. Yes, so for the patch tool, you have to leave your patch mode in the control panel. The patch mode is here. You leave it at normal. Yes, but sometimes when you do the patching, it will not really look good, so you can come back and change it from normal to content aware. So but let's try the normal first. Good. I want to remove this dog from this image, and then I'll also remove the shadow. So you just have to click and drag to create a selection around the dog. When you're done with the selection, you just release the mouse, and then you should create a matching ant selection around the dog. You now put your cursor inside the selection, and then you click and drag it to a place you want it to, a very nice and matching place you want it to replace the dog. So now this is a sea, and the sea has an edge, the wave edge, the seashore. So you make sure the seashore is in line with the sea, and then the other outskirts of the water is also in line, and then you release the mouse. When you release it, Photoshop will do its magic. Good. Now we have a bit of a shadow here, and then another shadow. So you just have to simply create a selection around the shadow, and then you drag it to a very cool place to replace it, and then that is all. And then the final one is this side, and then you drag it, and then that is all. You are done. When you're done, you can save it as an image. File, you go to file, you go to save as, you select your destination, you type the name, you type you change the format to JPEG. That is the first one. You click on it. So let me just change the name. You click save, and then you make sure the quality is at 12 maximum. Just change it to maximum, or you can just drag this slider and then you click OK. That is all.